Welcome all of you students. In this lesson, we are talking about classes and object. When you comes to this lesson, you practice with many classes and object, right? In most of the exercises, I create classes and make object and access the method with object, right? When you come here, you practically know how to create a class and object, right? Static class and those things. But in this lesson, I want to explain what is class in real world, right? Please refer this image, right? We get real world object as class. Actually, it's a model, like a model or blueprint, right? We get real world object as class, right? I use a car model, right? This car model I get as a class. But in real world, object mean we can create any objects using that model, right? Actually, we said class is a blueprint of object, right? Using this blueprint or model, we can create many object, different kind of car, right? It will be different kind of, these are the object, right? Real world object from this class, right? This is the concept behind classes and object, right? Classes, we take any real world object as a class, right? Not only car, you can take anything, right? Then we create object from that class, right? Objects, object use that model or blueprint, right? Using that model, create a object, right? If you get a car as class, these different kind of car types we can get as object, right? This is the concept behind classes and object in real world, right? Remember those things. Now I want to explain classes related concept with code exercises, right? Okay, let's move into code part. First of all, I want to create a project, console lab project. Now you know this thing, right? Select console lab, .NET framework and C# support. Now you know this thing, right? Right. Classes and object framework and create object, right? Create a project, right? In this project, I have one class. Classes mean it is .C#, right? Program.C# is a class, right? It contain method. This is the class, right? Oh, right. Now I want to add one class. Example class, right? Think about this, right? This is your namespace. You know that I explained what is namespace and how we use namespace in previous lesson, right? This time I'm not going to explain, right? I want to focus on this, right? This is class with class keyword, right? All the characters are simple, right? When you start a class name, this is a class name, you can use any name as class name. We use capital word, capital letter as starting letter, right? We can give access modifier inside class, right? Class. This is the class. Class contain two type of thing, right? One is action. Next one, properties, right? Property is like a variable. Variable mean it's a class variable, right? We use instance variable or class variable or methods as action. One method, public void simple run is the method name. Void is a return type. Console dot write line. You know this thing, right? I practice you with many examples. And use one console dot read line also. Console dot read line, right? Now you know how we call this method inside main method. Without calling your classes or your method inside main method, in here your classes or method will not run, right? Then you must call your method inside this class. Class mean main method, right? How we access, now you know that, right? If this is a static method, you can access that with class name, right? One more thing, refer this one again. Think about this car class I make as static. Think about that. Now this class is a static type class. You can't create many objects, right? It has only one object. That also important, right? Think about this. That example. Your class is not static, right? Then you must create object and access this method with that object, right? You know how to create object. Dot object name, obj name, object name, you can use any name, new object, right? And access your method. Actually we can use this in one line also, right? You can access this, right? This is the way how to access a method inside class, right? You must create the object, right? In one class you can create many objects. Think about this. This is your car class, right? This object will be a different car model. It will be a BMW or whatever, right? You can create many objects, right? Think about this. BMW, this car is this class. Think about this class is car. This car. This is car class, right? Right. Now you can see this. This is as a car, right? This method start function. Car start. We use car start, right? Now create object from car class. All are changed, right? This car will be Suzuki or whatever, right? BMW or whatever, you can use those name, right? Then we have run method, right? That's the thing for, right? Not car start method, run, not run, right? This is the way how to create object from that class, right? These are the object, different type of car models, right? In according to car example, think about this class is static after access modify, right? Static. Now you know you can't keep non-static method, right? Use public static also, right? Now you know you can't create many objects from this class. You must add only one object. This will be not applicable, right? You can't create object, right? Only one object available. That object access with this class name dot start, right? Now you know, right? Now you know what is class and object in real world, right? Now you know how to create class and make object, right? Now you know what is static and how to access static classes, right? Actually this concept I explained in previous lessons as well, right? So I explained in briefly, right? Get idea behind what is class and what is object and how to create class, how to create object, how to access those things, right? In real world examples and practical coding examples, both are important, right? Okay, that's the thing I want to explain with classes and object lesson, right? I think you get good idea about this thing, right? Okay, if you get any questions, any problems, please comment. I will help you to get better understand, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into next part.